Hello students, this is the part 4 of similar triangles. So in part 3 I already explained all the three similarities: AA similarity, SS similarity, SSS similarity. So now I want to start problems based on that all those similarities. Okay, first important result, this is very important, so I can say this is very important result, IMP result. Okay, if two triangles are similar, then prove that the ratio of their corresponding sides are in the ratio of their corresponding, one is altitudes, angular bisectors and medians. First of all, I want to explain what the meaning of this. For example, two triangles are given ABC and PQR. Say this is ABC and PQR. If these two are similar in this order only, means I can say the AB is corresponding to PQ, AC is corresponding to PR, BC is corresponding to QR. Okay. If these two are similar, means what happened? AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR equal to BC by QR, and angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. Given these two are similar, what should prove? Through A draw perpendicular on opposite side. This is called altitude for this triangle for this base. So from here draw altitude. For example, this is say D, this is say S. So PS is called altitude of this triangle drawn on QR. Now BC and QR are corresponding sides. That's why these two are called corresponding altitudes. So this theorem saying that if these two triangles are similar, the ratio of their sides are in the ratio of their corresponding altitudes. Means you want to prove that AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR equal to BC by QR equal to AD by PS. Okay. Okay. Now one by one. First one, let a triangle ABC comma triangle PQ are similar. In this order only, ABC, PQR similar. So first of all, I will draw the diagram for that. So this is one triangle, this is another triangle. Okay, I can name it as ABC triangle and PQR triangle. So given that they are similar in that order, do one thing, draw perpendicular from A to BC, D is the foot, draw perpendicular, say S is the foot. Now AD and PS are corresponding altitudes. Okay, I will write that. Let AD comma PS are corresponding altitudes. Yeah, now I want to write one by one. Given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So what happened? AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Let it be 1. Now compare these two triangles. So comma I can write angle A equal to angle P. Actually angle A means BAC. No? Just I won't write like that. Angle A equal to angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R. Students, take care. Actually writing angle C is not correct. Angle C means this is also angle C only. Just actually we wanted angle C means we wanted BCA or ACB. Okay, just I wrote like that. You feel that that is angle ACB only. Okay, now compare these two triangles. Angle B equal to angle Q only, angle B equal to angle Q, and 90 degree from AA similarity, these two small triangles are similar. I will write triangle ADB similar to triangle PSQ. So from AA similarity. Why? Because means angle B equal to angle Q and angle D equal to angle S equal to 90 degree only. So if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. So I can say that AD by PS equal to AB by PQ is also equal to BD by SQ. I don't want that. I want to take this is 2. Observe 1 and 2. So AB by PQ is equal to these two. In second, AB by PQ, this means what happened? All are equal from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. What is conclusion? AB by PQ, AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to BC by QR equal to AD by PS. Hence proved. First result completed. Yeah, BC by QR. What I wrote? Okay, correct only. So first one proved none. So second one, angular bisectors. I will write second one, angular bisectors. For that also we need to draw a small diagram. This is triangle ABC, or I can take PQR, no problem. So this is PQR triangle, XYZ triangle. Okay. So again, given these two are similar, so through P draw angular bisector. So this is PA is angular bisector. These two angles are equal. So this is angular bisector B. These two are equal. I will write. Let triangles PQR, comma triangle XYZ are similar. One thing. Okay. Next, PA is bisector of angle QPR and XB is the bisector of angle YXZ. YXZ. Also PA comma XB are corresponding angular bisectors. Are corresponding angular bisector. Okay. So again, given triangle PQR similar to triangle XYZ. What I mean is this, Nana, PQ by XY equal to QR by YZ equal to, what is that, PR by XZ. Also I can say this is also angle Q equal to angle Y, angle P equal to angle X, angle R equal to angle Z. Okay. Now we want to prove these two are similar. Already angle Q equal to angle Y only. So angle P equal to angle X. Half of that means what, these two equal only, no? I will write that. From triangle PAQ, from triangle PAQ, comma PSQ. No, not this diagram. So XBY. Yeah, XBY. Now comparison, Anna. So what is the comparison I will write? First of all, angle Q equal to angle Y. First thing, angle Q equal to angle Y. Next thing, yeah, angle P equal to angle X. Actually, angle P equal to angle X implies half of angle P is also equal to half of angle X only. So what is the meaning of that? Half of angle P means what, Nana? So this one only. I can say QPA, angle QPA equal to, half of this means YXB. Observe, Nana. So from this and this we conclude that triangle PAQ is similar to triangle XBY. Y means AA similarity. Okay. So if two triangles similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So I can say PA by XB equal to PQ by xy is also equal to something. I don't want to write that. I want to take this is the equation number 2. Now observe 1 and 2 now. 1 pq by xy. Here also pq by xy. So finally from 1 and 2 we can conclude that pq by xy equal to qr by yz equal to pr by xz equal to this. What is that? PA by XB. What is the meaning of that? Two triangles are similar, the corresponding altitudes are in the ratio of corresponding sides. Okay. So what happened? These two things I proved now. So medians, interesting and difficult one. So that's why I want to write separate. Third one, medians. So assume that this triangle and this triangle are similar. So this is ABC triangle, this is PQR triangle, medians, this is say D, say this is S, midpoint. So don't think that QR equal to BC, they are corresponding sides but their lengths are not same, no? Okay, that's why clearly I mentioned, no, here this QS equal to SR only, QS not equal to DC. Okay, given triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. First what happened? AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. Okay, so this is cell number 1. Our angles also you need to write actually angle A equal to angle P, comma angle B equal to angle Q. Okay, angle C equal to angle R. Again and again I am repeatedly saying that angle A is not correct. Instead of A should write BAC. Okay, next step, let AD comma PS are corresponding medians. Now you want to show that the ratio of corresponding medians are in the ratio of corresponding sides. Interesting one, this interesting one. Okay. Now I want to take two triangles here. This is one triangle named by ABD. So this is PSQ. I want to prove that these two are similar. Already angle B equal to angle Q. I will write. So in triangles ADB PSQ. Now I want comparison. Angle B equal to angle Q. I can say given. Interesting result you will get. So now I want to use this result here I want to use AB by PQ equal to BC by QR given. Interesting step here is that, so instead of A, you read AB, don't disturb AB by PQ as it is, but instead of that BC by QR I can write half BC by half QR. What is the problem? Both are same, no? So what is the meaning of this? AB by PQ equal to half of BC means BD or DC. I want to write BD by QS. Now observe students, interesting result we got. What you got? This side by this side equal to this side by this side, and this saying that these two angles are equal. So from SAS similarity these two triangles are similar. SAS similarity. Okay, I will write that. So from SAS similarity triangle, which triangle? ADB PSQ. ADB similar to PSQ, triangle PSQ. Okay, If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. AD by PS equal to AB by PQ and also equal to BD by QS. I don't want that. This is taken as result number 2. See, observe result number 1 somewhere here. No? AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. Now, what you got? AB by PQ is equal to AD by PS. So, finally, what I can write from 1 and 2? 1 and 2, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR equal to AD by PS, means corresponding medians are in the ratio of corresponding sides. Okay, very important result. Nana, this one, using this you can solve so many problems. Okay, yeah, okay students, what happened, Nana? We proved. I can write hence proved. Hence proved. All the results proved, Nana. These are very important results. Observe all of you. So what it is saying that if two triangles are similar, then prove that the ratio of their corresponding sides are in the ratio of corresponding altitudes, angular bisectors and median. Just I proved. So I can say important property IMP. I can say P1 property 1. I can say this one property important property 1. Using this property, you can solve so many problems. Yeah. Okay. So, okay students, another important property, I can say property 2, IMP, property 2, I want to read, if two triangles are similar, then prove that the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides are in the ratio of their areas. Very important and very important. Okay, now I will prove this, wait, yeah, let triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. With AD comma PS are corresponding altitudes, are corresponding altitudes. Why altitudes? Means area should find, no, that's why. So first of all, I want a rough sketch for this. This is one triangle. So this is another triangle. This is ABC triangle. This is PQR triangle. So this is one altitude AD, another altitude PS. Okay. Okay, I will write triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. The meaning of that, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR equal to altitudes AD by PS, corresponding altitudes also corresponding angular by also corresponding medians, but here altitudes enough for me. Now, so consider area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR, just I want to find the ratio. What happened, half into base means I can take BC, height means AD I can take, by half into QR into PS I can take. Here interesting thing is half of get cancel. So what do we get, Nana? BC by QR into AD by PS. Important, instead of this AD by PS you can write this or this or this. I want to write this. Okay. So BC by QR into BC by QR. Things you can write. So AD by PS equal to BC by QR. Or from 1 I can say this is 1, and from 1 also you can write. Yeah, from 1, that is better. From 1, bracket from 1. Observe, no, BC square by QR square. So what is the result? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to 1, that is BC square by what you got, I will write first, no? QR square. Okay, QR square. What happened if two triangles are similar? The ratio of the areas and the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. So already BC by QR means what, Nana? BC by QR means what? AB by PQ can write, BSC by PR you can write, AD by PR, BS you can write. That I will write. That is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equal to AB square by PQ square equal to AC square by PR square. It's also equal to BC square by QR square is also equal to AD square by PS square. What is AD, Nana? AD into corresponding altitudes. So what is the important note? I will write important note. Therefore note, if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas are in the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides, comma altitudes, comma angular bisectors, and medians. Okay, students, this is very important, and this note is very important. Just to prove, no, two triangles are similar, the ratio of the areas are in the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. Already two triangles are similar, ratio of corresponding sides are in the ratio of their medians, angular bisectors. Okay, altitude. That's why if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas are in the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides, altitudes, angular bisectors and medians. So this is important. Okay, students, I want to write one example problem. If two triangles are similar and their areas are 20 and 30 square units respectively. Okay, if one side of triangle is 5, find the side of other triangle corresponding to this side, corresponding to this side. This side means this side 5. Okay, just directly I want to answer, Nana. So let the corresponding side be x. So according to the problem, area of first triangle by area of second triangle equal to, yeah, side I can say s1 square by s2 square, side 1 square by side square. That's why 20 by 30 equal to 5 square by x square. 0 0 get cancelled. 2 by 75 equal to 1 by x square. I think correct one. 25 3s are, oh yeah, okay. So therefore x equal to root over 75 by 2, or you can say that 5 into root 3 by 2. So this is the corresponding side. This is next problem, third problem from exercise 8.2. In the given figure, AB parallel to CD parallel to EF, and given AB equal to 7.5 centimeters and DC equal to 5 centimeters, EF equal to 4.5 centimeters, B is equal to x centimeters, calculate the values of x and y. So this is another interesting problem. Again I want to draw the diagram for this. Yeah, this is one line, this is another line. Okay. Questions, first of all I want mark given this and this and this are parallel, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so first of all I wanted given data, given that, okay, AB is parallel to CD is parallel to FE. Okay, so this is given as 7.5 centimeter. This is given as x, this is 3, this is y, this is 4.5. Students, observe here. First of all I want to separate the diagram. This is one triangle, say A, B, E triangle. Here CD is parallel to this. I will write in triangle ABE, DC parallel to AB. Okay, now I can use BPT or similarities, anything. No, I want to use here similarities, because if these two are parallel and these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, directly can say that from A similarity the two triangles are similar. I will write them. Triangle EBA, triangle EBA similar to triangle EDC, bracket A similarity. Okay, now if these two are similar, what happened? BE by ED equal to, so we have AB, no, AB by DC is also equal to EA, but EA I don't want EA, nothing is given about EA, that's why I don't want EA. So ED by ED by BE how much? Invertendo. DC by AB. Now I want to take this is number 1. Next I want to take the smaller is similar to bigger. I will show you in the separate diagram. So another triangle. So this is FEB. Some line is parallel. What is that line? CD. That is Y. CD is Y. So something instead of CD I can write Y now here. Actually I think we need to substitute some values. Okay, ED you don't know, you write as it is. ED. B also you don't know. DC is given Y. By that, what is that? AB is given as 7.5. Now take this as a 1. Observe here. Now these two triangles are similar because given that these two are parallel, this angle equal to this angle equal to this corresponding angles. Directly I want to write triangle BEF similar to triangle BDC in bracket A similarity. Yeah, again I want BE in denominator, later I will write. So BE by BD equal to EF is there now, EF is given in the problem. Okay, EF by DC, this is also equal to BF, no, BF I don't want. So I want invert here also, I want, because why I want invert term is here, BE denominator, B means total length, no? So I want a B in denominator. So BD by BE equal to DC by EF. Now you want substitute na BD by BE as it is. Yeah, DC means Y by EF. EF means something is given at 4.5. This is 4.5. I want to write 4.5. So this is equation number 2. Now observe equation 1 and 2. So here BE, here BE. I can add 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 equal to, what is 1 on here? ED by BE. ED by BE. LHS parts. BD by BE equal to, yeah, Y by 7.5 plus Y by 4.5. Listen students, identify logic. While comparing these two triangles are similar, I got BE by ED, but I converted BE as in denominator because I want add these two. No, observe here, why I used inverted, you people can understood now. BE, ED plus BD, ED plus BE only, no, that's why. BE by BE 1 only. So you can take Y common, 1 by 7.5 plus 1 by 4.5. Okay. So I think somewhere X also given, no? So here you need to write that also. Second one also important, BE by, yeah, BF. For this case, you need to write second part also because this is X and 3 also given. In the previous part, AC and C are not given. Okay, BF by BC. So while inverted also, here also we will get now BC by BF. So okay, actually not 2 with this one, so I will write 2 later. So BC means what I want to show. BC means X, yeah, X by BF is X plus 3. X plus 3, this and 2. Just I compared this with this. From there I got relation. I will get Y value here. 1 equal to Y into, this is 7.5 into 4.5. Here what happened? 4.5 plus 7.5. So from here you can get the value of Y directly. So I want to write here. 1 minute. Okay. So Y is equal to 7.5 into 4.5 by, okay, what is that in 0, that is 512, or Y equal to 75 by 10 into 45 by 10 into 1 by 12. 3 4s are 3 1s are 3, 3 15s are, okay. Y equal to, cancel what happened, 5 2s are 5 1s are 5, 15s are 5 2s are 5 3s are, yeah, okay students. Now what I got, so 45 by 4 to the right 16. So Y is equal to 45 by 16. Now I can't simplify this because we will get in decimals, that is not a big problem. X also you want to find. So second equation I am taking, second equation, these two are same, no? What is that? Y by 4.5 should be equal to X by X plus 3 only. Okay, now I want cross multiply. Instead of that, Y I can write 45 by 16. I will write next page. Yeah, 45 by 16 into 1 by 4.5 equal to X by X plus 3. Okay, so 45 by 16 into 10 by 45 equal to X by X plus 3. 45 get cancelled. So 10x plus 30 equal to 16x. 30 equal to 6x. X equal to 5. Therefore now I want to conclude. Therefore X equal to 5 and Y equal to 45 by 16. These are the required values. Students, once again listen. In the given diagram, AB parallel to CD parallel to BE, AB equal to 7.5, DC equal to y centimeter, EF equal to 4.5 centimeters, DC equal to x centimeters. Calculate the values of x and y. Now I got x and y values here. Okay, so what is x? X equal to 3 and y equal to 45 by 60. Completed. Yeah, diagonal AC BD of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC intersect each other at the point O using the similarities of triangles. Prove that AO by OC equal to BO by OD. So first of all, I will draw the diagram. Okay, this is trapezium ABCD. Okay, now diagonals. AC is one diagonal and BD another diagonal. So these two intersecting at O. We want to put the AO by OC equal to BO by OD. Already we proved this by using BPT. But here what we want to prove the same thing by using similarities. Observe all of you. Okay, in trapezium, ABCD, AB parallel to DC. See, my target is I want to prove that these two are similar triangles. This angle equal to this angle because parallel lines and transversal alternate angles are equal. I will write. First of all, you write from triangles COD. Order is important. Next, AOB. Comparison. First, angle OCD equal to angle OAB. Reason I will write why. Next, this angle equal to this angle. The same argument. ODC equal to OBA. Alternate INT angles equal. Are equal. Same argument. Two parallels can be transversal. The alternate triangles so formed are equal. Okay. So what happened from these two triangles? This angle equal to this angle equal to this. Two angles of this triangle equal to two angles of this. Automatically you can call they are similar. Or vertical opposite angles also equal. That is not a big problem. That also you can write if you want. So now I want directly. Therefore triangle COD is similar to triangle AOB. Bracket A similarity. Two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. CO by AO equal to OD by OB. Cross multiplication gives, okay, OA, I think this is OD, okay. OA into OD equal to OC into OB. This only you want, hence proved. Okay, students, this is 7th problem. Like 3rd problem. Okay, AB, comma CD, PQ are perpendicular to BD. AB equal to X, CD equal to Y, and PQ is equal to Z. Then prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. So this is one right triangle. Yeah, here A, B, D. 90 degree, this is X, this is Z, this is Q, this is P. Okay. First of all, triangle smaller to bigger. In previous problem also, actually in the example 3, here also try to smaller to bigger. For if you write smaller to bigger, no need to use inverted, directly you get this result. Okay, that's why I want to write smaller to bigger. What is that? DQP. See here, Nana, this is common for bigger and smaller triangle. Here 90. Triangle, what is this? DQP. DQP is similar to triangle DBA in bracket AA similarity. But in examination we write steps, Nana. Okay. So what I want DQ I want and BD I want. BD. Here BD is there, no? So DQ by BD equal to QP. Yeah, QP is there. QP by BA also equal to DP. No use of DP here, no need to write. So you need to write reason why they are equal. In congruent in similar triangles, corresponding sides are in proportion. You write DQ as it is. Don't disturb DB also. Equal to D means Z by X. So treat this one as a first equation. Okay. Now separate these two triangles. No, I am separating here. Yeah, C, D, B, PQ. 90, 90. This is Z. This is Y. Yeah, this angle common for smaller and bigger, 90, 90. So they are again similar. I will write smaller to bigger, that is better. BQP, triangle BQP, similar to triangle BDC. BDC, denominator BD I want, let's say BQ by, so I will here only write BQ by BD equal to, yeah, PQ by DC. I will write in next page BQ by BD, PQ means Z, yeah, Z by Y. Okay, Z by Y. This is Z number 2. Now observe, 1 and 2. From 1 in denominator BD is there. In 2 also instead of BD is there. Such a way that we want to take triangles. Okay, now I want to add 1 plus 2. So what is 1 on here? DQ by DB plus BQ by DB equal to Z by X plus Z by Y. So here what happened on a BD LCM? So DQ plus BQ, you can take Z common, 1 by X plus 1 by Y. So DQ plus BQ in diagram BD only, from the diagram BD by BD equal to Z times of 1 by X plus 1 by Y. This is 1 only, 1 equal to Z times of 1 by X plus 1 by Y. Therefore 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. This only you want, hence proved. Next, 8th problem. A flagpole 4 meters tall cast 6 meters shadow. At the same time, nearby a building cast a shadow of 24 meters. How long building is? So this is also easy problem only, Nana. For example, this is Flagstaff. So making shadow of 6 meters. This is 4 meters tall. On the same ground, okay, a building is there. Building. So it also makes a shadow of 24 meters. You want to find building height H. So you want label it. Yeah. So important thing is these two angles are same. Already clearly I mentioned. So this is building. Yeah, this is the some tower. So this is the light source. One of the light ray. Okay, what happened? So this in this triangle, bigger triangle, this angle is common and 90, 90. So those two triangles separated, then you will get this diagram. That's why these two angles are same. Let height of what is building BH meters. Triangles ABC similar to triangle what is PQR. This is P, this is QR. From A similarity. Two triangles similar corresponding sides and proportion. AB, yeah, required one. AB by PQ. AC, no use of AC. BC by QR. So equal to AC by PR also, but no use of AC no here. AB means 4. PQ means H. Equal to BC, B6. QR means 24. Okay, 6 ones are 6, 4 4s are. So happened h equals 16 meters. Therefore, height of the building equal to 16 meters. Yeah, students, ninth problem. CD, GH respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and EGF such that D and H lie on the side AB and EF of triangle ABC and triangle FEG respectively. Triangle ABC, first of all I want to draw a diagram. This is one triangle, ABC triangle. This is another FEG, order important here, triangle. So CD is the bisector of ACB. CD is the angular bisector. So these two angles are equal. And GH is the bisector of this angle. If these two triangles are similar, given these two are similar, then we want to show that CD by GH, something already proved, no? Example. From example problem, we complete none of this. Already proved. Two triangles are similar, then show that the ratio of their corresponding angular bisectors are in the ratio of corresponding sides, that concept. So, you people can complete this, I already proved. So, next, AX and DY are the altitudes of two similar triangles ABC and ADF. Then prove that AX is to DY equal to AB is to DE. Yeah, this one also proved, example problem. So, prove that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their altitudes are in the ratio of their sides, that is the problem. Example, I already proved. You people can complete it. This and this. Okay. Yeah, example 10. Diagonals of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. If AB equal 2 times of CD, then the ratio of areas of triangle AOB and COD. Okay, interesting problem only. First of all, I want to draw the diagram. Okay, this is this is A, this is B, this is C, D. Okay, diagonals intersect at O. Yeah, what is given? AB equal 2 times of CD. AB equal to 2 times of CD means CD is taken as X. This becomes 2X. I will write. Let DC equal to X, then AB equal to 2X. Okay. Already we proved that these two triangles are similar. Already proved. Okay, directly I want to write triangle COD similar to order important. Angle C equal to angle A only for these two. This equal to this. Angle COD similar to AOB. From A similarity. If two triangles are similar, already proved that the ratio of their areas are in the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. Means area of triangle COD by area of triangle AOB equal to CO square by AO square, OD square by OB square, CD square by AB square. What do you want? Yeah, relation between CD and AB given. No? So now I can say that this is nothing but CD square by AB square. Okay. You want this ratio CD square. CD means X, X square I can write. By AB square means 4X square I can write. X square that you can 1 by 4. What the meaning of that? Area of triangle COD is to AOB. You want reverse. Area of triangle AOB is to area of triangle COD. Equal reverse 4:1. This is the required one. So next 8.3 first problem. D, E, F are the midpoints of sides BC, CA, AB of triangle ABC. Then find the ratio of areas of DEF and ABC. This already completed 9th standard. So that is one thing. ABC is a triangle. Okay, D, E, F are the midpoints. Okay, if you join this, so what happened then? So this divide into this total triangle into 4 congruent triangles, means all are having equal area. You proved in areas concept. So what is he saying? That find the ratio of triangle DEF. This triangle with the bigger one means this is one part, means totally 4 parts only. So I can say that 1:4 is the answer for this problem directly. But here what is given in the chapter is similarities. By using similarities we want to try to prove. Okay. So I will write E comma F are the midpoints of AB comma AC. What happened? FE parallel to BC. Similarly we can prove FD parallel to AC comma DE is parallel to AB. Okay, so that is FECD is a parallelogram. Students, no? These two are midpoint. This parallel to this. This parallel to this. So what happened? Automatically this is parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay. Now observe here, students. Interesting thing is the smaller is similar to bigger. I want to prove that the smaller is similar to bigger. That's why I want to take this is theta. This is theta. This becomes theta. This is theta. This becomes theta. Because these two are parallel, no? These two are parallel, no? This is still this theta. Means theta, theta. I will write that. From triangles, ABC, comma, DEF. So observe, student, this is theta, this is theta. These two are parallel transversal. This is parallel to this. Here theta means here theta. That's why here theta means here theta. Directly I want to step. FED angle FED equal angle CBA equal to theta. Okay, one thing. Next, so this is beta. Automatically this is beta. Opposites angles of a parallelogram. Angle EFD. Angle EFD equal to angle ACB. Angle ACB equal to beta. Okay, opposite angles of parallelogram. Observe, theta beta, theta beta. Two angles of smaller one is equal to two angles of bigger triangle. They are similar from A similarity. Therefore, triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC from A similarity. Okay. Now we want to find the ratio of the areas. So I think that is the question. DEF with ABC. So okay. Now what happens? These two are similar means area of triangle DEF by area of triangle ABC equals ratio of squares of corresponding sides. So corresponding sides means better sides I want to take. DE I will take. FE I will take. FE. So EF square by BC square. So already you know that EF is nothing but half of BC from midpoint theorem. No? Observe here. These two are midpoints. No? This length is half of BC. So I want to substitute that. That is equal to, so instead of EF square I will write. So BC square means we can write 4 EF square. These two get cancelled 1 by 4. Therefore, area of triangle DEF is to area of triangle ABC equal to 1:4. So with using similarities, without using directly concern 1:4. all four are congruent triangles. So this is parallelogram, these two are congruent means equal in area, this parallelogram equal in area, this is a parallelogram equal in area, all four are equal in area means any one of them is 1/4 of the bigger. Okay. Okay, so second problem, in triangle ABC, XY parallel to AC and XY divide the triangle into two parts of equal area, find the ratio of AX by XB. Student, this is very interesting problem. I will write steps first of all. This is the triangle ABC. Yeah, ABC triangle. XY parallel to AC. XY parallel to AC. Okay, XY parallel to AC. XY parallel to AC. Yeah, divide into equal area. Area means this area equal to this area. Area of this triangle, area of this trapezium. Okay, that is important. What you want to find now? AX by XB. AX by XB. Okay. Interesting problem only. Okay, I will write steps now. First of all, given area of triangle BXY equal to area of trapezium, this one, XYCA, let equal area something delta, I mean this is delta area, this delta, total 2 delta, total triangle area 2 delta. Okay, now XY is parallel to AC, so directly I can say this smaller triangle is similar to bigger, no? Parallel, this angle equal to this angle equal to this, from A similarity. So BYX similar to BCA, triangle BCA, triangle symbol BCA, AA similarity. The two triangles are similar, the ratio of the areas are in the ratio of their corresponding sides. So area of triangle BXY by area of triangle BCA equal to, okay, so which sides you want? Yeah, AX, B, that like AX, I mean AB I want, AB side I want. Okay, so what I can say, BX by I can say AB squares. So this is delta means 2 delta, that is BX square by AB square. Delta get cancelled, so BX by AB equal to 1 by root 2. AB equal to 1 by root 2. What you want? Now I want to see. AX by XB. AX by XB I want. AX by XB. Okay, reverse. Invertendo. AB by BX equal to root 2. Subtract one another side. AB by BX minus 1 equal to root 2 minus 1. So AB minus BX by BX. I think you people understood why I subtracted one other side. In denominator I want XB, numerator AX I want. Here XB, okay, AB is there. AB minus BX only AX. That's why I subtracted. Okay, Nana. So this is equal to root 2 minus 1. AB minus BX means AX. AX by BX equal to root 2 minus 1. What do you want, Nana? Yeah, AX by XB. AX by XB. Okay, you got the result. That is root 2 minus 1. Therefore, AX by BX equal to root 2 minus 1 by 1. This is the answer of the problem.